Once we were made aware of the situation with the pandemic, we immediately called emergency response meetings, because for the young people that we support, the level of need was high. The reason that I nominated the team for this award is because they just floored me with their response. They knew what to do and they wanted to do it. They wanted to work. They worked around the clock of their own will to make sure that every single young person that we support was supported in a way that they needed. It was really individual, really hard hitting. It got to the point and did what it needed to do. And that is very different for every young person.
So I had the luxury packs, that's stuff like all the body wash, deodorant, that sort of thing. I had the activity packs, which the centre was providing like live videos on Facebook, so the stuff what they were doing. Cooking packs, and that was about the three I really needed, but I know there was a lot more that, that provided to other young people. I think it just felt good in a way, because knowing that someone's actually thinking about you sort of thing, someone's actually providing and caring for you. So yeah, it felt good.